Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add XRP to your Trezor wallet. First, connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer using its USB cable. Next, open the Trezor Suite application, which is your primary interface for managing assets. Make sure your Trezor device is properly connected and unlocked with your PIN. This initial setup ensures a secure connection for all subsequent steps, preparing your device to receive your digital assets safely. Once Trezor Suite is open, navigate to the Account section on the left sidebar. Here, you will find a plus sign to add a new account. Click this, and a list of supported cryptocurrencies will appear. Select XRP from this list. Your Trezor device will then prompt you to confirm the creation of this new XRP account. Confirming on your device ensures that the account is securely generated and linked to your hardware wallet. Now that your XRP account is enabled, click on it within Trezor Suite. You will see several tabs. Select the Receive tab. This action will generate a unique XRP receiving address. It is crucial to verify that this address displayed on your computer screen matches the one shown on your physical Trezor device. Remember, a minimum balance of 1 XRP is required to activate any new XRP address on the ledger. With your XRP receiving address generated and verified, copy it from Trezor Suite. Then, navigate to your cryptocurrency exchange or external wallet where your XRP is currently stored. Paste the copied address into the designated send or withdrawal field. Always double-check the address before initiating the transfer. Finally, confirm the transaction details on your Trezor device to securely send your XRP to your hardware wallet, completing the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.